Boys, no talking. Yesterday we studied about the largest number of three digit is 999 and the smallest number of three digit is 100. In all those numbers, in 999 and in 100, the digits are repeated. Digits are repeated. Which else? Which else digits are repeated? In 999, which digit is repeated? 9 is repeated. And 9 is repeated how many times? 3 times. 9 is repeated 3 times in 999. You come closer and 900 in 999 9 is repeated 3 times and in 100 0 is repeated 2 times. Yes. But in this question it is said that the digits should be different. The digits should be different and that number should be in how many digits? 3 digits. We need that number. We need the number that should be in 3 digits and that should be in different way. Yes, and that means the digits should not be repeated. Once, can you, Krisala, can you show all these digits? There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Among them, out of them, listen, boys and girls. We need to know, we need to find out that out of them, which digit is the largest one? Which digit is the greatest one?
9.
Which one?
9.
Which one?
9.
Yes. At first, in that question, it is said that we need to find out the largest number of 3 digits made of
999.
different digits. No. 999. We cannot write that because in that number 9 is repeated in how many times? 3 times. And now in this question it is said that digits should not be repeated. The digits should be different ones. That's why we need to pick the different ones, different digits. Listen, here are 10 digits. Which says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And out of these, which one is the largest one? 9. And largest one, the student having largest one, largest digit, please come over here. Come, you come, largest one. 9 is the largest one. And second largest is which one? 8. You also come. 9 and 8. Okay. And the third largest is which one? 7. Okay, listen. This one is this number. This number is the largest number of 3 digits made of different digits. 987. That means 987 is the required number. We need the 3 digits number that should be made by different digits. And which is the largest number? Which one is the required number? 987. 9, 8, and 7. Listen, boys. In this number, are the digits repeated? Is there any digit repeated? No. 9 is different, 8 is different, and 7 is different. And in this question, we need the 3 digits number made of different digits. Okay, boys and girls, thank you. You just come over here. You can stand over here. Now come this side. This is the largest number. 987. 987 is the largest one. And next one, what is said over there? Second thing, we need to find out the smallest number of 3 digits made of different digits. Okay, which is the least? Which is the smallest one? 0 is the smallest. And 0, come over here. And next smallest number is 1. And then after, next exponential number is 2. Come over here. How standing, man? Just stand like this. Okay. Is this number correct? Is this number correct? You come back, come back, come back. Come back, please, come back, come back.
Ay,
Okay.
no one.
Also, look at there. You boys, you also don't talk, man. Look at there. 0, 1, 2, 3. Is this required number? Anusha, stand up, please. Is this required number? Which way you are willing to find out that the 3 digits, the number, the least number of 3 digits made of different digits? Is this the required one? Why? Why it is wrong? Can you talk in loud voice?
0 should not be in the first place.
Go closer and why is this mistake? Boys, can you hold properly? So at first there. No. So here at first. At first. So here. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. In this question, it is said that we need to find out the least number of 3 digits made of different digits. And here the students are standing in such a way that 0, 1, 2. Is this the required one, required number? Understand? No. Why?
Because 0 should not be in the first place.
Yes, 0 should not be placed in first place. Then if we place at first 0, then what will be? What will be? If we place the 0, then what will be? Then the remaining numbers, which else number are remaining? If we place 0 at first, then which else numbers and remaining numbers are made of how many digits? Only 2 digits, and it will be only 1 and 2, 12, and 12 is only digits of 2, number of only 2 digits. And now in this question we needed the number of 3 digits. That's why 0 should not be kept at first place. Thank you Arusa Raghal. Thank you very much. Sit down. Okay, listen boys and girls. Okay, now
Suam, राम्रोसँग
actually, now we are at the end of the class. Listen, and now I think we are in the conclusion that the smallest number of 3 digits made of different digits, that is greatest one is 987 and the smallest one is 0, 1, 2. Is it right? No, that is wrong, because this number is 0, 1, 2 is not made up of 3 digits. We cannot say that this number is of 3 digits. And to make it 3 digits, how should we arrange this one? How should we arrange? Anusha, stand up please. How should we arrange? One should be where?
loudly.
Yes, one should be in first place. Come at first. You are not getting me or what? Just move. Okay, one should be at first, then after 0 and 2. 1, 0, 2 is the smallest number of 3 digits made of different digits. Are you getting me or not? Is that clear?
Clear.
Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, boys and girls, can you say loudly? Is it clear or not?
Yes!
Okay, 987 is the largest number of 3 digits made of different digits, and 102 is the least number that